Hi, welcome to Rachel's Reading Room. I'm Rachel. Today we're not going to be reading a book. Today we're going to take a deeper dive into how I track my learners' progress as well as display them visually using graphs in Google Sheets and what all of that kind of looks like. So I hope you enjoy. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. And let's get started. So the screen that you're seeing is my learners dashboard. So in this group, I have 3 different learners that all have literacy-based goals. And you'll see learner A, learner B, and learner C. And then their corresponding graphs in the way that I can quickly check to see if they're progressing. And so let's take a look at each of these different screens. So learner A, their goals are receptive identification of characters and labeling characters within a story. So if I go into their page, it's got their goal, their reference, what their mastery criteria is, what my cues are if I need it, and the targets, their introduction date, their receptive identification mastery date, as well as their labeling mastery date. So if I wanted to add another story, so let's say we did Pete the Cat, we introduced it, make up some data here, October 30th, and we're going to say they mastered this on the 1st of November. And then the 3rd of November. So as you can see, the graph auto updates on this page in itself. So the blue line is the number of targets that they have mastered per week, and the red line is the cumulative mastery. So that line is going to continuously go up. Make sure that you're running maintenance on your mastered targets. Because if you don't use it, you might lose it. So we can return back to my dashboard and then go into learner B. So the data input looks a little bit different. This is because all of their goals are all number of correct over number of incorrect. So we're going to enter data for the 27th of September for all 3 goals. So I enter my date on that left column. It's a drop-down menu, which makes it super convenient and easy. So reading CVC words, we're going to say they did 13 and 1. Rec ID of characters, 4, and they missed 0. And then labeling items within the story, we're going to say 14. And we'll have 2 errors. So it's going to auto update all of the percent correct and the total trial. So I'm not having to do a lot of different counting and making sure that my percentages are right. I'm going to let the Google Sheet actually just do that for me. And my graph updates on this dashboard page. So let's go into learner C. Their goals are turning pages with prompts as needed and then sitting for a duration of 5 minutes while listening to a story. So 27th of September. Turning pages with prompts and sitting for 5 minutes. We're going to say they turned the page with prompts for 13 times, and they're going to sit for 4 minutes and 15 seconds. So that's a quarter of a minute, so 0.25. And it updates on my dashboard as well. I didn't have the graph in the other screen, I just hadn't copied and pasted it. But this has just been a really quick, easy way of just showing you guys how I track data and progress for all of my learners. If you have any questions or like this video or like this type of video, please let me know and we'll make more of them. Thanks, hope you enjoyed.